What is up everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing great, and I hope you're all staying safe. Today we're doing something pretty stupid, because we're going to be playing real life in third person. This is an idea I have had for quite some time now, but the thing is I had it on a much stupider level. I wanted to take the Quest, put DJI Go 4 on it, take the drone, and go outside. Now I don't need to tell you why that would be dangerous and just not a very good idea in general. Equipment could be damaged, I could be damaged, so we're not doing that. But instead, I'm gonna do it on a much smaller level, where I go to the kitchen and make some coffee, probably some toast, and try to see whether I kill myself along the way. So, you guys are coming along for the journey. So while editing this, I realized how truly random this was, so if you guys are not ready for 5 minutes of me attempting to make coffee in third person, I'm sorry, but this video isn't for you. Thank you so much for coming, but if you don't want to watch me struggle to make coffee and a pancake in 5 minutes, then I'd say you can probably do something better with your time. And hopefully see you in the next video. I'm also going to show you exactly how to do this, because why not? I mean, if you want to experience third person in real life, you know what? Just play the game of life. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to grab the Quest. Gonna plug it in. Also, this is gonna be one of those older games where you have no scrolling, because I have no way of attaching the camera onto myself. So the camera is gonna be static, no scrolling for me, which only makes it harder technically. Then you want to launch side quests, or whatever you use for sideloading your apps. Could even just be ADB. You want the app for whatever camera you're going to be using. I'm using the DJI, is this the Action? DJI Action, I think? So that's the one I'm using, because it has very, very little input delay, so I have an app for that right here, and I'm just gonna copy it and sideload it straight to the Quest. And we're installing DJI Mimo, because if you guys still don't know this, you can actually install normal Android apps on the Quest, which is pretty cool. So, we've got DJI Mimo installed, time to set it up. So since I was so excited that I didn't even record the voice properly for this is what I'm seeing. This is the drone footage. This big screen right now is exactly what I'm seeing. And I can move the camera slightly to the right and slightly to the left, because the drone allows for that. Unfortunately, that was slightly wonky, so I could see very little. But this is exactly what I'm seeing right now. The second camera angle is clearly just for your enjoyment of my pain. That's literally all it's there for, nothing else. I mean, all it kind of shows is my butt anyway, so, yeah. Right now, as I'm doing this voiceover, I'm pondering on whether to get you guys to sit through the entirety of this, including me having to sit through the entirety of this. Like, this is just 7 minutes of me attempting to make coffee. This normally takes like 1 minute. Like, even that's too long. But, I mean, I'm definitely gonna have you guys sit through me pouring milk here. I'm just gonna continue doing this quality voiceover for you guys, considering the sound in this is absolute. Here I am pouring the quality milk. This is actually much more difficult than it seems. Thank you for spamming me while I'm doing a voiceover. This is absolutely great. Here we are pouring the milk. As you can see, I tried using my fingers to direct it. That did not necessarily work out the way I thought it would, to be completely honest with you. You'll see in a second that I actually... Oh no! Oh, okay, well that looks a lot more successful than it looked like when I took off the headset. But I look quite happy with myself there, not gonna lie. Watching this is absolutely hilarious, like me attempting to grab stuff. It gets a little bit interesting when I try. Okay, wow, okay, seriously? Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish the voiceover here and figure what's happening there. Now that I'm done reading the beautiful fanfiction sent to me by somebody I completely don't know, we can continue watching this very painfully as I attempt to guide the milk into the coffee machine. Now, this was actually extremely hard. You guys don't realize how hard this is. Imagine playing VR chat and seeing yourself on the third-person camera. Now, the cool part is you're actually able to move that third-person camera, which is why with a drone this would have been quite interesting. It's like an out-of-body experience a little bit. It's very weird. It would have been quite a bit better if the drone had like a 360 camera. You can see me moving the camera here with my fingers using hand controls as I'm trying to find the power on button on the coffee machine. But, yeah, no, this is completely different. And would I recommend trying this? Yeah, if you're doing something safe, it's like a whole different experience, as I said. But it's not something I would recommend using to do something dangerous, like if you were using a knife or something. Absolutely not. It's so hard to coordinate anything. It's much more difficult than it seems. Like, you're watching it and you're like, oh yeah, it's like a video game. It's not like a video game. It's a lot harder. Now, if I had like a camera on a selfie stick coming out from my back maybe and coming out from over me, that could be a little bit more like a video game, I guess. Maybe like GTA 5 style, you know? Overhead camera. Here, it wasn't an overhead camera. This is literally the only camera angle I had, and the small amount of camera adjustments I was able to do left to right. Now, I did actually end up being able to press that button. You see, I was quite happy, quite successful, big success right there. But I think now I'm going to attack the pancakes. Oh, those poor pancakes. You see, I was also able to move the camera down, which was, well, helped out quite a lot actually, but it's a lot harder, trust me, quite a bit harder. Again, I do want to try this out with the drone. I just don't know where I do it in order to be safe, because I know that if I were to take this out on a road or on a footpath or somewhere, something bad would happen. It's self-explanatory. So here you can see me attempting to open the pancake. I actually didn't know which way the pancake opens because, yeah, you see there, it's completely messed up. And I'm throwing the blueberries onto the jam, and then I attempt to fold the pancake. It's a lot harder, okay? Okay, guys, I swear. And there's so much memeable material here. I'm gonna leave it up to your guys' imagination to see what you can possibly do with this, because the Reddit is waiting, guys. Remember, we have a Reddit now linked with our Discord, so anything you post on Reddit will also automatically go to Discord, which is pretty damn cool. But yeah, here we go. This is that was quite successful. That pancake was quite nice. Here, I could have gotten burnt. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I could have gotten burnt because I was attempting to find that button there. And if I had moved my hand a little bit more to the left, I could have touched, like, the heating element and gotten burnt. It's quite dangerous. It's not, let's not lie to ourselves. I was not doing anything dangerous here, and I mean, calling this dangerous would be a shame on anyone that actually does dangerous things in their life. But it was pretty damn stupid, and I actually told everyone in my family, do not go into the kitchen. I'm doing something stupid. And I bet they got very concerned at some point, but realistically, I was doing something much more stupid and less dangerous than they probably had imagined. Now, yeah, a lot of things fell onto the ground as well while that happened, so the dog got those. But yeah, you know, it's quite painful to watch now, actually, now that I'm just waiting for the coffee to finish, and now we're just kind of looking at nothing, just kind of criticizing myself at this point, to be completely honest with you. There I am, playing with the camera again. I don't know what the actual hell is happening. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so this is the part where I have to take out the mug, put in the other mug, and put the machine up on cleaning, so... Oh, okay, well that actually, again, looks much more successful than it actually felt, because it felt completely unsuccessful, trust me. And now I'm going in for pushing this down, it seems. Oh, I pulled out the wrong thing, I remember that. Now I've pulled out the right thing, I need to put the little mug up on there, and push that out, there we go. And yeah, my voiceover, I bet this voiceover is just making the experience so much better, you know? It's not like this is just a bad idea and just shouldn't be done. And yeah, but you know what, guys? I've been wanting to try this for a while, and it's a lot weirder than I thought it would be. That's all I'm gonna say. It's a lot weirder than I thought it would be, but it does make me want to try the drone idea. It really does. And I hope this is at least sort of enjoyable for you guys, because, I mean, this is quality content. Clearly, this is quality content. Like, what is happening here right now? Half of this is gonna get cut. I swear, half of this is gonna get cut. I cannot leave this entire thing in here. This is just... Oh, yeah. No, you know what? Maybe I'll leave it. I'll leave it. I'll leave it just for the meme material. Oh, gosh. Okay, there we go. It's going down. It's going down. Yep. Yep. And coffee time, and that's it, right? Almost failed there. That would have been funny. There we go. Lift the headset up a little bit. Drink some coffee. Big success. There we go. It's a big success right there. Hell yeah. Come on, eat those blueberries, dude. There we go. Also, there is no nose gap because I have the VR cover, so for anybody thinking that I was looking through the nose gap, there is no nose gap because of those nose flaps. So I had literally zero chance of looking through the nose gap. But I mean, this is where I'm going to end it. I'm not going to get you guys to sit through the rest, unless this is the... Oh, this is the rest. Okay. Was it a dumb idea? Absolutely. Did I finally do it? Yes. Am I satisfied? No. I still want to do the drone idea. We did actually end up using the drone, by the way, because turns out you cannot install DJI Mimo onto the Oculus Quest 1 or 2. It just seems to fail. You can't click agree even after you copy the OBB files. It doesn't work. If any of you got it working, please let me know, since I would have had a much wilder field of view. But unfortunately, had to use the drone. I mean, fortunately, unfortunately, at least I got to say I used the drone through Wi-Fi, through the DJI Go 4 app, and I have coffee. I will neither deny nor confirm how much milk got spilt onto the ground, but you guys can think about that yourself. And I mean, other than that, there isn't much to say in this video. I just wanted to record a goofy video in which I tried this out, just kind of have some fun with you guys, you know? We always do these like super serious videos. Wanted to try out something funny, you know? Something really stupid. No, that's a lie. We've done many stupid things before. Yeah, we've cooked the Quest. Okay, so that is going to be it for today's video, guys. Please let me know down in the comment section below whether you actually want me to take the drone outside with this thing. I think it's going to be dangerous. I don't know where I would need to take it in order for that to happen. Probably some empty car park or something. And considering COVID restrictions are now a thing, I guess there won't be that many people there. Hopefully. But that is going to be it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a like. If you guys disliked it, I guess this button works too. But please tell me why down in the comment section below. If you guys are not yet part of the club but would like to join, we have a Discord down below. We also have a Reddit down below where I want to see you guys posting your spice memes. If you want to support the channel any way, shape, or form, mysticalstore.com. And if you guys want to be notified about future content coming up on the channel daily, make sure to smack the subscribe button with your forehead, ding my bell, and see you again in the next video. Peace.